Okay, so welcome guys. So welcome to the part 2 of this series of video about linked list. No? So first guys, so we already done creating a function push uh, that will kuan sa node no sa kinahanglan. So push is for para maka-insert kag uh, list sa kinahanglan no. So ikaduhang function natong gamon is insert a new node after the given previous node. So silbing na sa tunga, no? Posible sa tunga. So okay. So insert a new node after the given node given previous node. Okay, so if you wala pa mo tanong sa part 1, so tan-am guys aron makasunod mo. So first we will create a function public void let's say we will create a function insert after. So we have a method insert after, we have a method push here. So in the method insert after, we will create a parameter. We'll put on the parameter, let's say node is node prev node dot comma and new node and new data rather, because para gaban sa una na mga new data, but new data and new data node prev mode. So now so now after we create a function, now check if the given node is null. So first we will check if the given node is null. So now check if the given node is null. Now this code will check that if the given node is null. So let's say if prev node is equal to null, then it will loop. It will go in this line of code. If the previous node is equal to null, then it will print that system.out.println the given node, the given previous node, or the given previous node cannot be null. So then we will return here. So in this code, it will check that if the previous node is equal to null, then it will print the given previous node cannot be null, because dili man ka pwede maka-insert og between two numbers basta kung ang usa is wala, di ba? Because insertion man ta sa between, no? So kung walay preview nga node, so null na siya, so dili pwede. So dili na siya upadayon sa sunod nga code. So now let's continue. If after the node, sorry guys. So after then we will allocate the node, put in the data. First after we create, we will create an object, node object, node the new node equals new, let's say new node, then and new data. sorry, matanawon sa nato basig masayo batan. Node, new node is equal to new node then new data. Wala na ni siya ikuan because we already declare naman. Declare naman dere and new data, so new data na lang same sa babaw. So now after we create that new data, we will create that make next as next the previous node. So this we will make next of new node as next of previous node. So make next of the new node as next of previous node. So ang atong i-insert nga node nga bag-o is sunod siya sa previous nga node. So now unsaon man na nato by simply putting new node because mamatong gikon new node that next, di ba? New node that next because is equal to previous node that next, no? Then semicolon because atong bag-o nga node is after siya sa previous nga node, di ba? Kuha ninyo after we done that, then we will make next the previous node of new as new node. So we will make na ato na itong himuon nga ang next of previous node as new node. As new node kuha. So unsa man nato by simply copy this prev node that next is equal to new node na, di ba? Kuha. So mao ni ang atong second nga function nga atong nabuhat, function nga insert after, no, or insert a node after the given previous node. So ang kaning usa nga diri atong nagmakinahanglan is for starting ni siya no, front of the list, usibing una jud. Ang ikaduha is kaning insert after is between no sa duha ka given nga list, di ba? So mao ni, so first we create I will check that I will put a parameter node prev node and new data. Then we'll check if the given node is null. Then if it is null, then it will return that the given previous node cannot be null because we will insert node in the between two nodes. So dili siya pwede og blanco ang usa. So now after it nalagpasan niyang code is we created a new node object. So make next of the new node as next of previous node. So atong gibuhat diri is atong gihimong new node, ang gihimo nato ang new node as sunod sa previous nga node. Mao ni we're at new node that next equals previous that next. Then after that ato na yung gihimo nga ang previous node as new node, no, nga ang sunod sa previous nga node is mahimo ng new node. Mao na ato na yung gipan. So mao na ito'y part 2 sa atong video, no, second function that we created, insert a new after the given previous node. So I hope nakuha ninyo. Then follow lang mo sa sunod nga video, which is part 3. Part 3 is all about a function that will put a new node at the end na. So first is at the first man to kani of the list, front of the list. The second is insert after. Then the third is how we can list at the end, no? So the end of this video guys, makakuan ra mo kung unsa ni pag unsa how it works, no, patong pakita. So I hope masulod mo guys. Thank you.